my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is another winter day and I decided that I want to get ready together with you because I have something I wanted to show you and try together with you while getting ready. I am here drinking my second cup of coffee of the day because I really needed another boost of energy before we are ready to go. We are going for a walk and we are also going to grab a lunch. We're going to have some pizza and also some delicious coffee. As you can see, I'm still in my cozy robe. This robe is from Oysho. That's my second year of owning it and I really like it. It's not too hot, you know, as like those big robes, sometimes they are too hot, and this one is quite light and cozy. But this year Oysho did it again because this print is just perfect for winter season. I start wearing it around the Christmas time and then I wear it throughout the whole winter and I feel super cozy in it. Another sip of coffee and we are moving on. I have my hair wet still and my makeup is done already. I didn't go for a red lip today because my look is going to be really casual today. So the thing that I wanted to try with you today is my new hair tool over here. I'm sure all of you ladies have seen at least one Dyson new styler ad on the internet lately, or you have seen like a targeted video from an influencer showing the new Dyson styler, and at least once you thought that maybe you need it or you want it. I had this thought in my head once, but for now I'm really not sure I want that one. For me, when I see Dyson styling videos, the main thing about those hairstyles is the volume that ladies get here on their roots. Like their hair then looks really healthy, voluminous, like they have a lot of hair, like bouncy curls, things like that. It's not about the curls because the regular curl you can get with lots of tools, but the volume I felt that Dyson did in a pretty special way. And here is the tool that I learned about just a week ago. I didn't know about this before and I was really surprised by what I saw that it can do. So what it is a Revlon hair styler. It's kind of hair dryer, but you're not supposed to dry your hair completely with this one. I think you are supposed to dry your hair by your regular hair dryer until it is about 80% dry, and then you finish it with this one. So basically warm or cold air, whatever you choose, is going to get out of this tool, and then you will work out through your hair as a brush. I haven't used this one yet, never. I have just received it yesterday and today will be the first time that I'm going to try this thing and I'm really excited. They call this thing kind of a Dyson substitute or a Dyson dupe in a way that it is supposed to give you really nice volume here at the roots, make your hair bouncy, make you look like you have this really expensive salon blowout. And this tool costs about $35. That's why it went viral on TikTok. So many people are obsessed with this tool because for this money having these results, like what I have seen on the videos, is really nice, and I thought, why shouldn't I try it? Right now my hair is basically wet, so I will go on and dry it with my hair dryer. The hair dryer that I'm going to use is going to be my Zuvi Halo hair dryer. I have been using this one for already half a year and I'm loving it. I think it's not damaging my hair at all, and that is the main point of this hair dryer. I will also be applying heat protection on my hair today. This is a heat protection that I have right now. It is Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense. It says that this spray can be used for all hair types, and so far I'm really loving it because it's actually really lightweight. So I will apply this one, dry my hair. In the end of drying my hair, I will also use the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. For a long time I used to think that this is enough for heat protection, but apparently it is not. Lately I tried to Google if this works well as a heat protection and I didn't find a definite answer, but it's more of a no than yes, so I prefer to have an additional heat protection and then use this one to repair my split ends and basically for my hair to look healthier. Also, I wanted to mention that the shampoo and the hair conditioner that I used on my hair today are the Olaplex number 4 and Olaplex number 5, the hair shampoo and hair conditioner for my hair. These two work very well, and I think that after more than a year of using them, I still love this product, and I think they do an amazing job in repairing your damaged hair. I'm going to dry my hair right now and then come back to you and continue the styling. I am back here. I have just dried my hair till about it is 80% dry. I have also already dressed. This is my new hoodie. I really love at the moment. This was a present from my parents for these holidays, and this is a very cute hoodie with a teddy bear. I hope you can see it well right now. This is a Ukrainian brand called Yidnist. I will leave a link in the description for you to see what they do. Basically, they do really nice hoodies and t-shirts and some other things with very cute prints like this teddy bear. I fell in love with teddy bear prints when Polo Florence started them, and right now I love cute bears from different brands. This one is very wintry one. My husband has a cute bear hoodie as well, but his bear is a little bit different from mine. So let's move on. I have divided my hair in the middle for you to see the difference on two sides. What I will do on the left side of my hair is I'm going to use my regular way of styling my hair. I use my hair dryer. Usually I put this thing on and then I put a styling mode and I use my hairbrush and just go like that. And that's it. That is the way I style my hair, and then here I go a little bit like that. I can also turn my head upside down and do a little bit kind of volume moves, but I'm really not very good at it. And on the right side of my hair, I'm going to use this new tool I've got. I will write in the description the correct name of how it is called. By the way, I think that if you know like professionally how to use a round brush with your hair dryer, you know, all those professional hairdresser moves, you probably don't need any tools like this Revlon one. But if you're like me and this seems like magic for you and it is so hard for you to master this way of styling your hair, then I think Revlon is going to work for us. We'll see. I bought this round brush for myself a few months ago. I really want to learn how to do it well with this brush, but for now the best way that I know how to do is to work with my Tangle Teezer brush. This is a Tangle Teezer. I think it is for wet hair, this Tangle Teezer, but I use it all the time. I also have just put the volumizing mousse. It is Moroccan oil volume mousse for fine to medium hair, full body, medium hold. I really like this mousse because it's not sticky on my hands. All of the volumizing mousses that I had before this one were really sticky and I felt like they made my hair roots look greasy, and this one I feel like it's very good. We'll see how it's going to work for me today. So right now I'm going to style both sides and we'll see the results. By the way, on this tool there are 2 levels of heat and a cold mode. Everybody on the internet says that you shouldn't use the second level of heat, that this is too much. You should either use the first level or just the cold air. I think I will go for the first level today. Okay, this tool is quite loud, and it is quite loud, especially on the second level and on the cold air level. On the first level it is a little bit less loud. Let's go. And that is it. My hair is now completely dry. I will try to move so that you can see the ends at the moment. So the right side is the side where I use the Revlon hair tool, and on the left side I used only my Zuvi Halo hair dryer, and I think you will not be able to see any difference. I see really a slight difference on the way the ends feel. So the ends of my hair feel a little bit softer on the right side, a little bit more bouncy than on the left side, but it's not like a huge difference. And here I have just a little bit of volume next to the root, a little bit more than on the left side, but it's not a crazy difference either. I am really not sure about this tool as for now. As you can see, not a huge difference in here. I think both sides of my hair look really smooth and shiny, but generally that is really thanks to my hair dryer. That is really nice, the Zuvi Halo hair dryer. If I had a regular hair dryer, obviously the difference would be really more visible, because the regular hair dryer doesn't give you this smoothness and shine on your hair. I think what I'm going to do right now is finish styling my hair the way I usually do it, because lately I don't have my hair separated in the middle. I have it all on this side, on the left side. So I will move my hair all on the left side, finish it styling all with this Revlon tool, and I will show you the final result, and we'll see what we think about this Revlon styler. Here I have styled my hair on the left side as I usually do, finished it with the Revlon styler, and I have mixed feelings about it. Maybe I'm just making it all up in my head and it does nothing special, or maybe I actually feel a little bit more volume than usually in my hair. I think on camera it will probably look like it does really nothing to your hair. Maybe if you have like bangs, or if you have your hair layered, you know, when the hairdressers cut your hair in layers, then this tool will really give more volume to your hair. But if your hair is just straight like mine and you don't have any layers in it or any bangs, these tools are really useless for you probably, just like they are for me. Anyway, we're going to go grab our lunch right now, have a walk and really enjoy this winter Sunday. I will probably film our afternoon a little bit for you to be able to join us on this wintry day. And I have so many ideas for the future videos that I want to make in the following weeks. So my next video will be coming very, very soon. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and push the like button. It is super important for the growth of my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm wishing you wonderful, wonderful winter time. See you soon.